We are now printing the battery holder. Ordered this connector. And my goal, so it's looped around, so we just cut that one, straightened them out. We're going to pull them out of here. And we're going to put them in our new 3D printed connector here to make our own positive and negative. Okay, we broke these out of here. These are the little independent little wedges. I'm going to just do the negative side. But they slide in very, very well. Let's make this one L negative.
There's so much flux on that.
Look at the big old supply tape. It's melted actual.
Do you have a type of flux? Do you need flux on that?
No, that's the whole. What do you think? This is the original. They didn't really put that much on the original.
The original looks...
No, let's, let's take an eyeball look at it.
Eyeball.
No, yeah. Look at that scene. Oh, wow, look at that. It just like...
No, Dad, do you remember when you came staying on the ladder and the ladder falls and you land on top of the ladder?
Oh, that was fun. Alright, so my goal is to have that slice going between the 3D prints, so I don't want to go too much, but I know it's going to heat shrink, so let's put it right there. Alright, let's try that. Let's do the ends first.
My life, it's getting heat. It's sucking up. It's enclosing on me. It's too tight. I don't want to go to bed forever.
What are you talking about?
Oh no, it's shrinking. I'm getting mummified. Wait, that actually kind of did look like a mummy.
That looks so professional! Right. Let's look at the original.
The original.
Look at that.
It's thinner.
So if we stick that in there, oh, that's not a little too far. We're going to go how far in we can go.
This far.
I think this, hold on,
To infinity and beyond.
here's the battery right here. Ooh, that's going only like, it's about 1 millimeter off of the top. So maybe I can't push this in all the way. Where's my 3D printer?
Wait, what?
So we got this guy here.
Okay.
Oh, so that's crazy about it. So this goes. So let's take the positive. See the positive symbol right there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick this guy.
Rude. It's fun, but hard.
I did it at like 0.87 millimeter. All right, there goes that middle piece.
Don't break it. You just soldered it.
Wow, look at that, amazing. Like it's like perfectly in there. Thank you, Mr.
That
Toyo.
looks so good.
Thank you, Mr. Toyo. And measurements.
Thank you, Moosey.
All right, let's put the plug on it. Oh, that's tight.
Well, then why are you pushing it so hard?
You know what? I didn't even measure these to see if these were. That'd be really good to see if the Mr. Toyo did a good job. Oh, look at that. It like stops right when it gets right in there.
But it's already in there when it stops.
Hey, maybe we can like make these for people on the internet.
Oh, like sell it on Amazon or
Like
something?
eBay or something, yeah.
Oh.
That'd be pretty cool. Alright, so what do you think? Think I'm battery review?
Are you ready?
Alright, one more beer. Just get ready.
But I don't want to get
Look at
drunk.
that.
Wow. Hey, Dad, I don't...
Perfect! Alright, I just love that. That's my favorite wire strip. I won't show everybody the brand and then my favorite wire strip. I tested like tons of wire strippers. I mean, I spent probably $300. But I got that one. I got this one. I got this one. These were the most expensive ones. I don't remember how much they were, but they were like $1,500.
And then this one was the best, the cheapest
I
one.
mean, I tried this one.
Yeah.
I tried this one. I tried, I don't know, many more.
Yeah, and then
Oh, yeah,
this one works the best.
I tried this one,
This one worked the best.
and then all of them.
So basically, all you do...
And that was the cheapest. I think that was like $15.
Yeah, and then all you have to do is stick the wire in until it hits the red pole. You can move back and forth.
Oh, look at that.
Different styles. And then different lengths. And then you just stick your wire in. And then basically just squeeze. And it pulls it off. Easily.
So, oh, that's like baby powder on top of that. So watch how awesome this is. You got it in the view? So you just put it in there, and it hits that little red thing. You can put it whatever size you want, but that's my favorite size. Let me just go.
Ta-da!
Must have pulled it, pulled it.
Ta-da!
Let me do it again.
Ta-da!
There you go. Perfectly trimmed every time. Perfectly trimmed every time.
Stabbing me. I'm getting electrocuted.
Where my Alright, so we're gonna print that onto that. Put a little bit of that red heat sheeting onto the
Halfway.
other one.
What is that?
One wire got out of there. Look at that. One wire was trying to make it whole.
Wee! Well, I went to the grocery store and one went wee with me all the way home.
All right.
Nickel. I got so many nickels.
You do not want to be stuck halfway around the neighborhood.
Yeah, that already happened to me. I don't like that
And by the way, so we use the Saran to pull the Cyberquad.
Oh, Dad, I had to push it all the way from like...
Well, that's because y'all never charged the thing.
Alright,
Yeah.
so this is almost done.
For some reason, that looks like a terrible
Hey, go check the
failure.
3D print.
Oh, yeah.
Bring it down like this. Oh man, I put it in wrong. I'm gonna have to flip it around. The bolt, see this bolt piece right here? The bolt piece needs to be on the inside.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's do that right now. Hold on.
Wait, no.
What?
I don't want it. I want to heat shrink.
I don't know if I can get it out.
You did a pretty good job.
Well, that just means it's not coming out, so it's good.
Ow! You took it out.
All right, on the inside.
You're too good.
I'm pushing it.
Pushing it. Pushing it.
Normally in 3D printing design modeling, you want to put like a 0.25 tolerance. This one I did not because I want it to be tight. Man, I gotta fix this. That's crummy. Wait, yeah, it goes like that. See, that's fitting in there perfect. So this would slide in. This locks it down into place when you screw it down, and then you just open. All right.
And then you just plug your battery.
Okay, bud. What are you doing?
Squat's holding the battery.
Okay. Where's the original?
Squatty! Let's keep dropping.
Okay, so we're pretty darn
There's a
close.
fat daddy in there.
I think there's some news where it's been apart. See those two little notches? See those two little notches? Pushes it there. Alright, so positive. Okay, positive is on this side here. That should be my left. So that is confirming that. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Sorry about that. Okay, so positive is on the left. Let's throw that guy in there like that. Before we hook anything up. So this is not hooked up to anything. Let's see if she slides in. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this phone down. I'm gonna connect these two really quick, okay? And that is positive to positive and negative to negative. Put that down in there. Let's see what our battery's like. Fully charged. Okay. Let's flip the switch. Yay! That is so awesome! I just need to put the two screws into there right there. And we are good to go. And we have finally made a fully completed, assembled Cyberquad. Okay, just FYI, that was the CNX 50 is the connector you want. Really the male version of that. Or the one with the pokies. The male spades. The opposite of this, basically. Alright, opposite of that. Or just get a whole pack of these with the male and female, you'll be good.